First, open the tunemymusic.com in your web browser. Here, click on Let Us Start. Then select Spotify as your platform. If you don't get it in suggestions, you can search for it. Next, connect your Spotify account here. Scroll down and click on Agree to give it necessary access. Next, you need to select your playlist. You can either load from Spotify account or you can copy the Spotify playlist URL and paste it here. Then go to the playlist you want to transfer. Click on the three dots next to the playlist name. Select Share and then copy playlist link to copy the playlist URL. Once done, go back and paste it here. Next, click on Load from URL. Once imported, select YouTube Music as the destination. You may need to authorize access to your YouTube Music account to complete the transfer process. After authorizing access, initiate the transfer process by clicking on Start Transfer. The service will begin transferring your Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. Once the transfer is complete, review the migrated playlist on YouTube Music to ensure everything is transferred correctly. Go to your YouTube account and click on Music. Now that your Spotify playlist is successfully transferred, you can enjoy listening to it on YouTube Music across all your devices. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your Spotify playlist to YouTube Music and continue enjoying your favorite music easily. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.